This lesson looks at creating inclusive learning environments with a focus on the use of closed captioning and transcripts. Between the American Disabilities Act, Rehabilitation Act, and state laws, most, if not all, higher education institutions in the U.S. are legally required to provide closed captioning for recorded lectures, online courses, class materials, and other video content used for teaching and learning. Closed captions make videos more accessible to students who are deaf or hard of hearing. By prioritizing video accessibility, colleges and universities can ensure that more students have equal access to educational content and media. While captions are intended to make videos accessible to people with disabilities, they can also benefit all students. One study revealed that 80% of people use captions are not deaf or hard of hearing. They find captions are helpful and useful for better engagement, focus, and comprehension. Benefits of closed captioning and transcripts include improved comprehension. Captions help students overcome distractions such as poor sound quality, noisy environments, or interruptions. Captions facilitate accurate note-taking. All cognitive learning styles can be supported through caption use. Students utilizing captions can better understand speakers with accents. With the ability to hear and see the content concurrently, captions provide significant advantages for second language learners. These include verifying the spelling of complex terms, more quickly assimilating material, and providing subsequent review. A second benefit of closed captioning is improved performance. When students are given instructional video materials with captions, they were found to be more engaged and responsive to questions. They were better able to relate the information to their everyday lives. Students are more confident in engaging with faculty and peers on the subject matter if they can fully grasp the content. A third benefit of closed captioning is improved engagement. Students who view videos with captions view them longer than videos without captions. Closed captioning allows search engines to find your subject matter and access transcripts quickly, so material can be reviewed for studying purposes or accessed for research projects. A fourth benefit of closed captioning is increased accessibility. With the use of wireless environments, student demand for easy access to their core course materials has steadily increased. Coffee shops, libraries, and other environments may not be conducive to sound. Captions mean that students can access their material in any environment. There are several websites and apps available that provide closed captioning and transcribing. These websites and apps can be a great starting point for making your classroom videos and lectures more accessible to all students. Using Zoom, in meetings, the host or another meeting attendee assigned by the host can provide manual captioning. An integrated third-party closed captioning service can provide the captioning, or Zoom's live transcription feature can provide automatic captioning through closed caption settings. With live captions enabled for your team in the Microsoft Teams app, text appear as real-time captions or transcripts of participants speaking during a video or audio call. You won't have to ask people to repeat themselves so often, and it will appear only on your screen, not on the other participants' screens. YouTube utilizes captions. To add captions to videos on YouTube, you must be the owner of the YouTube account where the video is hosted. The specific steps for uploading your caption file change frequently as the YouTube interface is upgraded. However, the general sequence is fairly consistent. Flipgrid is a tool that allows teachers to post topics that are essentially videos with some accompanying text. This is then shared with students who can be prompted to respond. The response can be made using the software's camera to create videos that are then posted to the original topic. These videos can be recorded as many times as needed before uploading and can have the addition of emoji, text, stickers, drawings, or custom stickers. Flipgrid automatically generates closed captions for all new videos. Closed captions can be updated or changed with each topic's settings. Loom is a video messaging tool that helps you get your message across through instantly shareable videos. With Loom, you can record your camera, microphone, and desktop simultaneously. Your video is then instantly available to share through Loom's patented technology. Loom's transcription tool will automatically create an English transcript of your videos. Any videos that are transcribed will also have captions added to them when viewed. Transcriptions and captions are a beta feature right now, so not all accounts will have them at this time. Educators now have the option to utilize closed captioning during live presentations. Google recently introduced a new feature, automatic captioning during Google Slides presentations. This feature uses the computer's microphone setting to record audio and automatically generate captions in real time at the bottom of the screen. To do this, you open your presentation in Google Slides, click on Present in the top right corner of the screen, and from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, click on the CC icon to turn on automatic captioning. As you speak, you will see captions appear on the bottom of the screen. For those who prefer Microsoft, PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 can transcribe your words as you present and display them on screen as captions in the same language you are speaking or as subtitles translated to another language. Use spoken language to see the voice languages that PowerPoint can recognize and select the one you want. This is the language that you will be speaking while presenting. Use subtitle language to see which languages PowerPoint can display on screen as captions or subtitles and select the one you want. This is the language of the text that will be shown to your audience. By default, this will be the same language as a spoken language, but it can be a different language, meaning that translation will occur. By utilizing closed captions in your learning environments, you make learning more accessible for a greater number of students.